Good morning, KG2. How are you today? I hope everything's fine. Today our lesson will be about the long E sound. What is the long E sound? It's the sounds E and A together makes the long E sound. This sound sounds what? E and this A. But when we put them together, we got the long E sound. Okay. Let's see the vocab here or the words. Here we have what? What is this? It's k, l, kl, e, n. Clean. As you see here, we didn't say eh, ah, n. Because when we put the e and a together, we got the sound e, the long e. So let's read again. It's kl, e, clean, clean. Okay. The word number 2 is read, read. It's the word read. As you see here, we said the ea sound, e, a long e. Okay, so this word is read. Okay. The third word is we said that these sounds makes what sound? It's e sound. So eat, eat, eat. Okay. Okay. This word is what, guys? Let's read. It's eat, seat, seat. This is the car seat of the baby. So this word is seat. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have the E3, the long E3. Okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put the words that have the E sound, the long E sound, here on the tree. Okay, let's read the first word. It's what? Read, read. Yes, it had the long E. Let's put it here. Okay, here we have eat, seat, seat. Does seat have the E sound? Yes, it does. Let's put it here. Okay, here we have eat, eat, eat. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, let's read this. It's cat, cat. Does cat have the E sound? No. Okay, the next word is dig. Dig has the E sound, the long E. No, it doesn't. So now put it here on the tree. This word is clean, clean, clean. Okay, let's put the word clean on the tree. Okay, this word is sip, sip, sip. Does sip have the sound E? No, it doesn't. Okay, the last word is pool, pool. Does pool have the long E sound? No, it doesn't. So we'll not put it on the E3. Okay, guys, again, let's read the E sound or the long E sound vocab. Okay, the first word is clean, clean. The second word is read, read. Very good. The third word is eat, seat. Very good. The last word is eat, eat, eat. Very good. Okay, so this is the E or the long E words. It's very easy. I hope you study well and I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.